Hello friends. So continuing the classification of stocks. So here comes the risk-based classification of stocks. So risk-based classification of stocks has two types of stocks. One is blue chip and other is high beta. So what is this beta, right? So beta is the measure of volatility of stock. Although we will discuss about beta in detail when we come to the portfolio management section. Portfolio management section. But for now, you can understand that beta is kind of a measure of volatility. So what do I mean by volatility? तो इसको आप ऐसे समझ सकते हैं कि the kind of fluctuations that a stock is having, that is what is known as its volatility. So suppose there is a stock which goes 4% up on day one, and on another day it goes 5% down, then on another day it goes 6% up. Such kind of huge fluctuations are an indication of high beta stock. And a stock which is quite stable, right? That is we what comes under that is what comes under blue chip stocks, right? So it is your choice which kind of stocks you want to invest in. Generally traders kind of like high beta stocks because then they can get higher margins, right? Then the next kind of distinction is based on price and economy based. There are two kinds of stocks, right? Cyclical, and second we have defensive stocks. So the stocks which are like about relate to essential quantities, essential essential stuff, right? Like food, medicines, something that doesn't depend on economy. Because suppose even if economy goes down, people are earning less and doesn't want to buy stuff, then also the consumption of food and all, food, medicine, these are essential services, so the consumption of these things will not decrease. That doesn't depend on the performance of the economy. So such kind of stocks come under defensive stocks. Then there are cyclical stocks. These kind of depend on economy. For example, automobile sector. So if people are earning less, people are not getting their bonus, if their income is decreasing, then they will not tend to buy things that are not their immediate needs. So such kind of stocks come under cyclical stocks. I think it is over now. We have covered all kinds of distinctions based on stocks. Now in the next video, I am gonna start with what what do we mean by stock brokers and how to choose them, right? So thank you.